That's pretty well repaired now, wherever dampness was. And just scrape the loose bubbling paint off. I'm a little bit still here. Important to scrape it all off, and probably corner cement's the best to use because it's got a little bit of glue in it and maybe a little bit more waterproof than ever plaster. That was pretty well prepared. Just a quick little mix will fix that up until it's fixed properly with the damp course being redone or some silicone injection. Okay, we'll just float this up. I'll mix a quick mix with a bit of slurry in the bucket. So it should probably go off in 5 minutes, I'd say. Out there. That's what's called the slurry there. It goes all white, and you use after working it with the cornice. It's got a lot of old plaster slurry in there. So if you mix it with that, it'll go off very quickly. And sometimes quite handy. If you want to do something quickly. We'll let that take up for a minute. I'll just finish trailing this off. Put it on this damp area. Give it a scrape. It might still be a little bit wet still. Okay, let's go a bit further. We'll come back in a couple of minutes and finish polishing this up where the damp. This has been coming up the wall. It should be right to do now. Do the scrape back. Sometimes the paint will just retard the plaster as well, so you can't always say it's going to be quick. In this case it looks like the paint may be retarding, something in the paint's retarding it a bit, I think, but nevertheless I'm pretty close. Water. and neat down the top of the skirting. A few little bubbles still here to get off. Only really temporary this until the next time it bubbles. It'll be fixed damp course, it's got to be fixed permanently. So that's about it,